Alright, so I'm going to be erasing the service light. To reset that service light, you put the ignition into run. Don't start the truck. You press the brake pedal twice. And then you press the gas pedal slowly down all the way twice. Alright, so now you turn off the key. Turn it back on. It doesn't come up right now. I'm gonna start it. Let's see if it's gonna come back. Yep, it's off. So turn on the ignition, do not start the truck, press the brake pedal 2 times, then press the accelerator down slowly 2 times, turn it off and turn it back on, and that's it.